Dear students, welcome you all to this engineering graphics video lecture series. Now we are going to discuss about continuation of problems in projections of solids. A cone of base diameter 40 mm and axis length 60 mm is resting on HP on one of its generators with its axis inclined, axis parallel to VP. Draw its projections. Generators is an imaginary line joining the bottom base circumference and topmost corner vertex or apex. This topmost corner name vertex or apex. Any one circumference point joining the any one circumference point to the topmost corner or vertex or apex is known as generator. So any one generator resting on HP at the time axis parallel to VP. Assume this is a first quadrant, you are the observer. Any one generator resting on HP and the time axis parallel to VP. This is the final view. Project the front view and then top view. So directly draw the front and top view, not possible. So initially you got to assume base resting on HP. Base resting on HP at the time. Okay. Project the front view. Draw the front view, draw the top view first and then project the front view from the top. Assume base resting on HP, draw the top view first and then project the front view. And then tilt the front view. Automatically the one of the generator resting on HP condition satisfied. Automatically the axis also parallel to VP, second condition also satisfied. So initially you got to assume base resting on HP, draw the top and then project the front view and then leave some distance, draw that, tilt the front view, draw the tilted front view, from the tilted front view project the top view. So initially assume, draw the x axis line first, XY axis line. Initially you got to assume diameter 20 mm, base resting on HP, draw the top view. Diameter 40 mm. So 20 mm as radius, draw a circle first. 20 mm as radius, draw a circle first. Using compass, 20 mm as radius, draw a circle first. Using compass. Now, draw the generators. So, draw 8 generators. 45 degree inclination, draw another one generator. 45 degree inclination. So, totally 8 generators. Give the name to the generators. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, O. Give the name to the generators. And then project the front view from the top view. Project the front view from the top view. So draw a perpendicular line from the top view using 2H pencil. Draw a perpendicular line. Our axis height equal to 60 mm. So extend up to 60 mm height. Up to 60 mm height, draw the front view. Complete the front view. Complete the front view. Give the naming U A dash, B dash of H dash, C dash of G dash, D dash of F dash, E dash, O dash. Now the front view over. Now tilt the front view. Tilt the front view. Leave some distance. Mark the first point as E1 dash. E1 dash. So E1 dash to O dash distance as radius by using compass. E1 dash to E dash to O dash as radius. Draw the arc. Mark the point O1 dash on XY axis line. Mark the point O1 dash. Using compass, draw the arc. Using compass. Okay. And then next E dash to A dash distance as radius. E dash to A dash distance as radius, draw the arc by using compass. E dash to A dash distance as radius, draw the arc, mark the point. Draw the arc. And then O dash to A dash distance as radius. Both are same. O dash A dash and O dash E dash both are same. Distance as radius, draw the arc. Mark the point. The intersecting arc as point as A1 dash. A1 dash. Now join the point or the points to get the tilted front view, final front view. Tilted final front view. Tilted final front view. Tilted final front view. Now mark the base point. A dash to B dash of H dash distance as radius, draw the arc. Mark the point B1 dash of H1 dash. And A dash to C dash of G dash distance as radius, draw the arc. Mark the point C1 dash of G1 dash. A dash to D dash of F dash distance as radius, draw the arc. Mark the point D1 dash of F1 dash. Give the naming U. B1 dash of H1 dash. And C1 dash of G1 dash. And B1 dash of H1 dash. And okay. Now join all the points by using 2H pencil because generators. Using 2H pencil because left extreme and right extreme only dark line. Remaining all the generators 2H pencil. By using 2H pencil only draw the generator. Because generator is a imaginary line joining the bottom base circumference and topmost corner vertex or reference. It is imaginary line, not an object line. Edge. Okay. Now draw a perpendicular extension line from the tilted front view. Draw the perpendicular extension line from the tilted front view. And horizontal line from the top view. Horizontal line from the top view. Horizontal line from the. Mark the all intersecting points. Mark the all intersecting points to get the required final top view. Mark the all intersecting points. G and G1 dash intersecting point as G1. H and H1 dash intersecting point as H1. F and F1 dash intersecting point as F1. A and A1 dash intersecting point as A1. E and E1 dash intersecting point as E1. B and B1 dash intersecting point as B1. D and D1 dash intersecting point as D1. C and C1 dash intersecting point as C1. O and O1 dash intersecting point as O1. Now join all the points to get the required final top view. So the extreme generator, join the extreme generator first. And then draw the base. Base fully visible in the top. Fully visible in the top. So the invisible generators, draw the generators using 2H pencil. Invisible generator O, F and OB. Okay. Now the top you also completed. Now mark the dimensions. Axis height equal to 60 mm. And diameter equal to 40 mm. Diameter equal to 40. Dear students, if you like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel for continuous lecture series in mechanical engineering. Thank you very much.